Xiaomi has been making waves in the tech world with its innovative approach to smartphones, and the upcoming Xiaomi MIX Z is no exception. Rumored to be a true game changer, this foldable device is already creating a buzz with its potential to rival and possibly dethrone Samsung's long-reigning Z Flip series. Let's explore these leaks in detail, discussing each feature and the sources that brought them to light. One of the most talked about aspects of the Xiaomi MIX Z is its potential to completely eliminate physical buttons, paving the way for a truly all-screen experience. This leak was first reported by Chunbai, a well-known leaker who shared the information on Twitter. According to the leak, Xiaomi is developing a flagship device codenamed Zhuque that will have no physical buttons. Instead, the device may utilize a combination of gesture controls, pressure-sensitive edges, or even voice commands to navigate the interface. This innovation could mark a significant leap forward in smartphone design, pushing the industry closer to the futuristic concepts we've only dreamed of until now. Another groundbreaking feature of the Xiaomi MIX Z, revealed by SmartPre, is the under-display selfie camera, a technology that promises to enhance the all-screen experience by eliminating the need for a visible, front-facing camera. While this technology has been attempted by other manufacturers, such as Samsung and ZTE, Xiaomi's implementation could be the most refined yet. The details of this feature suggested that the MIX Z's under-display camera could set a new standard in the industry by delivering a seamless visual experience without compromising on photo quality. If successful, this could make the MIX Z one of the most visually striking smartphones on the market. Under the hood, the Xiaomi MIX Z is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 4 processor. This information was also leaked by SmartPre, who indicated that the same processor would be used in the Xiaomi 15S Pro, another high-end device expected to launch in the second quarter of 2025. While details about the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 4 are still scarce, it is rumored to be based on Qualcomm's new Kryon cores, which could offer significant improvements in both performance and efficiency. This would make the MIX Z one of the most powerful smartphones on the market, capable of handling the most demanding tasks with ease. In addition to the MIX Z, Xiaomi is also working on the MIX Flip, a foldable device that could serve as a strong competitor to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 6. According to a leak from digital chat station shared on Weibo, the Xiaomi MIX Flip will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. What sets the MIX Flip apart from other foldable phones is its inclusion of a telephoto camera, a feature that is currently lacking in most foldable devices, which typically only offer main and ultra-wide cameras. This makes the MIX Flip a more versatile option for photography enthusiasts. As with any highly anticipated device, the release date and pricing of the Xiaomi MIX Z are hot topics of discussion. Based on the current information, the MIX Z is expected to launch in the first half of 2025. While the exact pricing has not been confirmed, it is likely that the MIX Z will be positioned as a premium device, given its advanced features and flagship status. This could place it in the same price range as other high-end smartphones, potentially starting at around $1,000 or more, depending on the configuration. After hearing about Xiaomi's plans, it's clear that they are investing in R&D to develop new features. They're working on a buttonless smartphone, something even Apple is rumored to be developing, their mobile processor, and even a trifold phone that could be released early next year. In the past, Meizu attempted something similar with the Meizu Zero. It was a hole-less smartphone, technically hole-less, with no physical cutouts, not even for speakers or USB. Instead, it featured capacitive touch power and volume buttons. The speaker was replaced by the screen, which vibrated to produce sound, and the USB charging port was swapped out for 18-watt wireless charging. While it was certainly innovative, it didn't gain much popularity. Now, we'll have to see how Xiaomi's Project Zhuque will fare next year. But the question remains, will it truly surpass Samsung's Z Flip 6? Only time will tell. What do you think? Will you be waiting for the MIX Z's release? Or do you believe Samsung still holds the crown? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as we'll bring you more exclusive information on Project Zhuque in the coming weeks.